I saved the best for last. After I received the full styling kit from Bonvent Motorbikes, I decided to give myself enough time to fully experience the modular seat. And after 1 month of riding the bike with the seat on, I'm now ready to make a full review of it. And today we will talk about installation, practicality, and comfort. And first, let's talk about the installation. You can buy the full kit that consists of a seat, of the rack, and of the taillight with the mudguard, or you can buy the things separately. But at minimum, you will need to get a seat, rack, and the mudguard, because otherwise the rack won't fit with the stock mudguard. But if you want to keep your original light, it's possible. You can do it. The installation itself is simple. The rack is mounted on the holes where the stock grab rail used to be. The only thing that is a bit tricky, if you decide to buy the tail light, the routing of harness and connecting all the wires requires some attention to details, but nothing is complex here, and it would only require a couple of hours to get everything done. If you only get the seat and the rack, the installation is super straightforward, very easy. There's nothing to report here. Now the practicality, and I think it is just perfect. I think they nailed it. Sometimes you need a full seat. You're carrying a passenger, or for whatever reason you want a full seat. But sometimes you need to carry a bag or a backpack. Oh, and by the way, I hope you know these rock straps. They are fantastic. And this gives you the best of two worlds. And finally, let's talk about the most important thing for the seat is the comfort. I rode this bike very often last month while I had the seat, and I did lots of rides around town, and I did multiple long trips, and I can say that the seat is very comfortable. There's no fatigue, there's no irritation, my ass never became numb or anything like that. It's very comfortable seat. It felt a little wide in the beginning, but I got used to it during the first ride, and I never noticed it since. So I'm very happy with the seat comfort. My ass certainly recommends. This was a super short review of the seat, but I hope you found it useful. They have a lot of choice on their website for different styles and different colors and different materials. And guys who run the company, they're very friendly, very lovely people. So if you have any questions on the seat or about the variations, I encourage you to get in touch with them via their website or WhatsApp. So if you are in the market for a stock seat replacement, check out this, guys. I don't think you'll be ever disappointed. Many thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.